power.
That was cruel. Wasn't he your friend?
I've no need for useless things, but all of you are different. I have decided that there is, in fact, a use for all of you.
What is he talking about?
You have purged my soul of its diseases, and now you can control magic with your own power. I'm surprised you've come this far. Now you are useful. Don't you want to be the next to take my throne?
No! Not ever!
Is that your answer?
Yes! We don't need your throne! That is exactly what we're saying!
Then you have completed your objective, it seems.
The collars again!
Get out of there, Shoe!
Shoo!
Well, now, I certainly didn't expect so much.
The light from his heart.
What?
Sorry, but this light belongs to me!
Come on, let's join him!
Gotcha! Let's use our power!
Return the planet to the way it was!
So, your own spirits have also developed to maturity. They have grown and matured in tandem with mine. You have indeed proven to be a wonderful progeny.
Progeny?
But you know nothing of true magic. It pains me to do so, but I must handle.
Where's our power?
We're not doing any damage. We need to come up with a plan.
The mirrors. The light from all these mirrors is weakening our shadow's power.
What should we do?
The time for games is over. Now the end has come.
Zabo!
You! What are you doing?
Yes!
We are even.
You're not getting away! Punish the Mad King!
This is how you use magic!
Looks like a gigantic eternal engine.
This is bad.
Cheating rat.
Infinite energy! The thoughts of the ancients! I control all of that power! I shall squash you like the despicable worm you are! loyal servant.
What?
No!
Why?
Lady Zola, why? It's no good! Mortal can't fight against Lady Zola!
Now, you shall return that portion of my spirit that is in your keeping. I first met this woman when she had suffered betrayal and was fleeing from war. She was in despair over being powerless and not being able to help anyone. She lost faith in people and cursed herself for her own lack of power. I told her I could imbue her with power. And this woman embraced and accepted the magic. Since then, this woman has been my servant, seeking out vessels for my soul to bring my youth back and bring about the restoration of the planet. That's when she focused on all of you.
Do you recall when you swallowed the light spheres and the voice that told you to?
I do.
That voice. Was it you?
It wasn't Nene?
How could you do this, Zola? How could you betray us like this?
Unlike us, Zola has not made her magic into her own power yet. It's still Nene's soul. Perhaps he was using her as insurance.
Why'd you do it, Zola? Why? Did you befriend King Jabral for Nene? Answer me!
Answer her!
Yes, once again, give me power. What's going on here? That is your light sphere.
I've cast your spirit away.
What?
I've discovered I have my own power inside. Sabo, the collar of light.
Sabo?
You betrayed me.
If I was going to betray anyone, it wouldn't be Shu and his friends. It would be you, Nene.
What are you saying?
Remember? I wanted power. I told you that, and you showed me power like I'd never seen before. I've been thinking about it ever since then, about just how powerful you'd be when you regained your youth again. Yes, from the start, it was your power I was after.
Look at him!
The cause of Nene's illness is magic itself. His soul was tremendously consumed by his magic. The more powerful the magic he controlled, the less his body could bear. So then that was why he needed to develop a stronger soul. But I am different. I know how to utilize this power.
Zola!
You don't have to follow the same path as Nene! Lady Zola!
I will be the one to decide how to use this power.
Zola!
Lady Zola! Please don't do this!
Huh?
Now it's over.
Lady Zola! You really are Morrow's Lady Zola!
You really did it! What a great plan! You really had us fooled.
Was this your plan? Is this what you wanted from the beginning?
Maybe so. My heart was beaten down by betrayal once before, and I was tempted by what it was that Nene's magic had to offer. But now, that's changed. Because there was someone who taught me how to use power.
Who's that?
Zabo!
If Zola doesn't need it, I will take it!
Stop! Cough it up, now!
I don't think so!
What's going on?
What's happening to Zabo?
It's not Zabo.
Then who?
It's you! Dance, Roy.
I thank you for cutting the chains that bound me. At long last, I'm finally Incredible! I can feel my power returning! For so long, I was sentenced to endure that wretched, miserable form. But now revenge shall be mine. I am destroyed, the most powerful biomechanical warrior.
Whoa! That's the creature we saw in the murals!
The bioweapon that destroyed the ancient civilization. This is the beast's true form.
What's it doing in this place?
Nene said he had discovered it in the ruins soon after he awoke from his sleep. He cherished it as a last living remnant of his past that exists in this present time, an era that has forgotten how to use magic.
I am the same as you, mercenary. I too awaited my chance, biding my time with Nene. Your bad appetizing. I
now?
The fighting, anyway.
There's still more to be done. The world, we need to restore it.
The world has changed so much. I think I'm gonna have to find a new kind of flower.
How's that? I've become better at it.
Yes.
Do you think that magic will ever come back to life in us? And what use will we have for it in a time of peace? I wonder how magic will affect our future.
There's no need to worry. It's up to you to decide how you approach magic, Your Majesty.
So the light within us, and how we use it, surely depends on each of our hearts.
Shu and his friends taught me that lesson, Your Majesty.
I see.
Although, I don't think it ever really occurred to them that it was their hearts that made me realize what magic truly is.
What is he doing there?
Were you there the whole time?
What? You saw Maru?
The disciple must not leave the master's side.
Yes! Never leave!
Whoa.
Now, let's all sing.
Dreams bloom like flowers, growing for eternity. Someday I'll find them, a special gift just for you.
Hey, Kluk, happy birthday.
Thank you, Shu.
So, Jiro, have you given Kluk your present yet?
Not yet.
Listen, you two, I still don't know.
Here, this is your birthday present, Kluk.
Oh, it's lovely. Thank you.
Wow, that's so unlike you, Shu.
Well, it's a new world out there, so I figured there was going to be new flowers around.
Yes, I've never seen one like it.
Yeah, I know, it's great. Boy, you have no idea how hard it was to find either. Kluk, you know, a while back there I started to realize that...
Wait a minute. Here's my present.
Oh, thank you, Jiro. May I open it?
Please do.
Wow, this is lovely too.
I could make it into something pretty for you to wear. Maybe a pendant or something for your hair. Just tell me whatever you'd like, and I'll make it for you.
Me too, Kluk. Ask me, I can make you something too. Anything.
But your flower will die.
Well, we could turn it into a dried flower, or we could make it into some potpourri.
Kluk, you're always taking his side.
That's not true.
Kluk, you have to make a decision.
What?
Come on, tell us already. Which one of us do you like?
Can you guys wait until, my next birthday?
Huh?